Your podium or rooftop is an untapped source of parking revenue, and it is time to change that. Most urban developments are sitting on underutilized vertical space that has the potential to generate substantial income. Puzzle parking systems from the Automated Parking Company are engineered to solve exactly that. Whether the application is an under-podium installation or a standalone outdoor structure, these systems maximize vehicle capacity within the same footprint through intelligent horizontal and vertical movement. No wasted space, no unnecessary land costs. Outdoor projects benefit from full architectural flexibility, including cladding, roofing, LED lighting, and solar integration. For indoor mixed use or multifamily buildings, the system integrates seamlessly into constrained environments without compromising your floor plan. The result is higher parking density, improved land use efficiency, and a premium experience for both owners and users. Developers who have made this shift are not simply solving a parking challenge, they are unlocking a revenue stream they did not know existed. Call 877-827-2611 or visit theautomatedparkingcompany.com to schedule your free consultation today. Puzzle parking systems for indoor and outdoor applications. From under-podium installations to outdoor standalone structures, Puzzle parking systems from the Automated Parking Company are transforming how developers maximize parking capacity without expanding the footprint. The outdoor standalone solution is designed for urban projects that need flexibility, architectural integration, and a clean finish. With options for skin, cladding, roof systems, LED lighting, and solar integration, these systems can be tailored to fit both the project's function and its visual identity. The indoor under-podium solution is ideal for mixed-use developments, multifamily properties, and commercial buildings where every square foot matters. By using vertical and horizontal space more efficiently, puzzle parking helps unlock more parking capacity in constrained environments. Whether the application is indoor or outdoor, puzzle parking delivers higher parking density, better land use efficiency, flexible architectural integration, modern lighting and sustainability options, a premium user and owner experience. Call 877-827-2611 or visit theautomatedparkingcompany.com to schedule your free consultation today.